Welcome to Quick Learning with Easy Financials. Today we will discuss in 7 steps how to start Amazon dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business without having to invest in inventory or handle shipping and fulfillment. Step 1. Research products. The first step in starting an Amazon dropshipping business is to research products. Look for products that are in high demand and have low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and Alibaba to find popular products and suppliers. Step 2. Find a supplier. Once you've found a product you want to sell, you'll need to find a supplier. There are many different suppliers you can use, including Alibaba, AliExpress, and Salehu. Look for suppliers that have a good reputation, offer competitive prices, and have a large selection of products. Step 3. Create an Amazon account. Next, you'll need to create an Amazon account. This will allow you to list your products and start selling on the platform. Step 4. List products. Once you have an Amazon account, you can start listing your products. Make sure to use high-quality images and write detailed product descriptions. You'll also need to set your price and shipping options. Step 5. Promote your products. To start getting sales, you'll need to promote your products. You can use social media, pay-per-click advertising, and other marketing techniques to drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Step 6. Fulfill orders. As orders come in, you'll need to fulfill them by contacting your supplier and arranging for them to ship the products directly to your customers. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Finally, it's important to monitor your business and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on your sales, customer feedback, and competition, and make changes to your products and promotions as necessary. That's it. With the right product, supplier, and marketing strategy, you can start a successful Amazon dropshipping business. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our new episode next week. Thanks for watching.